Okay, now you can see we have this beautiful blonde roux going here for our etouffee. This is the point where we want to put in our vegetables, and then we can turn off the heat, put in the vegetables, and this is where it's going to smell so good. As you see, they're almost frying. You just want to mix those into the roux. And what you want to do is go ahead and whisk this through, and you can even at this point, now that you're done with your whisk, you can use your wooden spoon and just move it around. And now that the heat is off, you see it's still sizzling. Scrape the pan down really good. All those great flavors are there. And what you want to do is keep stirring this and scraping until a lot of the heat is gone. This will already have a lot of your vegetables softened. Your Cajun mirepoix, which is green bell pepper, onion, and celery. Unlike everywhere else in the world where they use, instead of green bell pepper, they use carrots. Something unique to Louisiana. Flavors are delicious. As you see, it's all thickening up very nicely right here.